Come test drive the 2015 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, front spoiler, traction control, stability control, remote engine start, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes, roof rack, cruise control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.